Students, in our mathematics classes of class 9th, that is revision of the chapter polynomial. Now a new question is, that is if x is equal to 3 plus root 8, then find the value of x square plus 1 by x square and x cube plus 1 by x cube. Now first of all, that is solution here. That is, now let that is x is equal to 3 plus root 8. Now we have to find 1 by x, that is 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon 3 plus root में 8. First of all, we have to rationalize the denominator. We know that if in this part, that is अगर डिनोमिनेटर में a प्लस रूट बी के फॉर्म का है तो ओनली बीच के साइन को ही चेंज किया जाता है फॉर रैशनलाइजेशन के लिए. नाउ तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दैट इज 1 बाई एक्स इक्वल टू 1 बाई 3 प्लस रूट 8. वी रैशनलाइज द डिनोमिनेटर. नाउ आफ्टर रैशनलाइजिंग द डिनोमिनेटर वी मल्टीप्लाई 3 minus root 8 in numerator and denominator. Now here we can write rationalizing the denominator. Therefore 1 upon x is equal to 1 by 3 plus root 8. And now here this is the rationalizing is into 3 minus root 8 upon 3 minus root 8 here. Therefore 1 upon x is equal to here, that is 3 minus root 8 into 1, that is 3 minus root 8. And now we have to use this a plus b and a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So 3 plus root 8 into 3 minus root 8, that is 3 square minus root 8 square. Therefore 1 by x is equal to 3 minus root 8 and 3 square, that is 9 minus root 8 square, that is 8. Therefore 1 by x is equal to 3 minus root 8 upon 1, that is equal to 3 minus root 8 here. Now look here, that is what is our question, that is we have to find x square plus 1 by x square. So now first of all, that is we have to find, that is x plus 1 by x, that is x is equal to here 3 plus root 8 and plus what is x 1 by x, that is 3 minus root 8. Look here, that is plus root 8 minus root 8 is also cancel out. Therefore x plus 1 upon x is equal to 3 and 3, that is 6. Now we have to find x square plus 1 by x square, then squaring both sides. Now squaring both sides. Therefore x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to 6 square. Now the things is, that is a plus b whole square. Therefore a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to 36. 6 square, that is equal to 36. Now this x and this x is cancelled out 2. Therefore x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 36, and here 2 into 1, that is 2, and this is plus 2. Now transfer to this other side plus 2, here this is minus 2. Therefore, x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 34. This is the first equation, first solution. And now the second is, we have to find x cube plus 1 by x cube. So first of all, we have to write the formula, that is, since we know that a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b, and in bracket a square plus b square minus ab. Therefore, we have to put, that is, a is equal to x and b is equal to 1 by x. Therefore, now proceed this in this formula, that is, a is equal to x and b is equal to 1 by x. Now we put this here, that is x plus 1 by x, and in another bracket, that is here x square plus 1 by x square minus x into 1 by x. Look here, that is, this implies that what is the value of x plus 1 by x? That is 6. And what is the value of x square plus 1 by x? That is equal to 34. Now here, that is, we write 6 into, in this, x square plus 1 by x square is 34 minus, and now x will be cancelled to this, that is 1, which is equal to 6 into 33. Now multiply 6 3 ja 18 and 6 3 ja 18 or 1 19. This is the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube. And now we have to find another some values from this basis. Thank you.